So the first step for food and beverage was the construction of the sports bar kitchen. We then closed down the buffet and also the kitchen, and then construction began in there for what is currently the Carver's kitchen, as well as the food court, Manchu Walk, and Fat Burger space. I think with Carver's Cafe and the food court in as well, we were able to have the options for our guests that Two Salmon did have from the buffet. So, you know, we have our breakfast, lunch, dinner options out of Carver's. We have our Asian cuisine from Manchu Walk, which is similar to a buffet. And then also we have our burger restaurant, which was the #1 concept that our guests wanted to see out of our food court. Once the construction was starting to end for Carver's and the food court, then that's when we really needed to start our training for the Carver's kitchen, the service staff, the cooks, developing the recipes, and the service, and really doing like a mock service with our team to do that first run on the food and make sure that it came out great.
We brought in a qualified management team. All the team members went through extensive training for 2 weeks prior to the opening. All the food was cooked. The servers and the cooks tested the food, served the food, and they're doing a great job.
The other side for the food court was we had managers and supervisors that went off to franchise training to learn from Fat Burger as well as Manchu Walk to know how to execute their recipes and come back and train our staff here and do the same thing that we did in Carver's. From there was to do our mock service to our team members and some of our guests.
We brought the franchise trainers in from the concepts. Our management team and team members were certified in each and every area. And then we started producing the high quality food that the guests were looking for.
So once the training for our staff for Carver's, Fat Burger, and Manchu Walk wrapped up, then that's where things really started to get real for the team, and we really feel like that the opening was a success because our team did a fantastic job. Opening 3 new outlets back to back was a really tough thing to do, but we executed it, and I couldn't be more proud of the staff that we have, our front of house and back of house. You know, everyone did a fantastic job. So currently with our sports bar situation, we're remodeling in the dining room, and that gives us a chance to offer a new menu. So we're really going through the same process that we did with Carver's and our food court outlets. Now we are developing a new menu, we're training our staff, and getting ready to put out a new menu for you guys in the sports bar that we hope you guys will enjoy.
So we have options for every guest that comes through the door. We have a great Asian diner. We've got hamburgers from Fat Burger. We have family style dining at Carver's Cafe. At Center Bar, we've got a great place to enjoy a very high quality drink and a place to be seen and game. Then along with the sports bar, it's going to be a very high quality food and beverage outlet.